welcome. Today we are at Laurel Landing in Alvin, Texas, just a little bit off of Highway 6. Great, easy access. This is the Teton model. This is the model, and it is up for sale just under $430,000. So please come with me and let's check it out. So this is a 4-bedroom and it is simply beautiful. So this will be our garage area, but when we first enter, to our left we have this bedroom. It is carpeted. Here is the closet, carpet as well. And we have a double vanity because both bedrooms share this bathroom. And this is a second bedroom. That we share this bathroom with. This is another closet, coat closet, for as soon as you walk in the house. Now, one thing I really love about Beazer is the standard they set with their advanced HVAC system. So can you see right there? That's a little chocolate bunny. And we know that heat rises. So quick class, okay? This is what is cold, what every builder should be doing, right? So we have here, these are 2x4s. This is R13 installation. Then the builder, just standard, puts this cardboard, and this is just cardboard here, right? And then we have the exterior. And this protects against, pests coming in. This is how we determine energy efficiency. But this is what Beazer does, and this is standard for all their homes, right? So we have spray foam. There's other builders that do spray foam, but we have the spray foam installation. Right here we have the engineered plywood that they put on it. So standard is cardboard. Over here at Beazer, we have the plywood, and then Beazer is Tyvek certified. I don't know any other builder that has this Tyvek certification, but they are certified to use it, okay? Which is a big thing, right? So this is what they wrap the house in. And then we have the exterior. So what this does, it protects around the pests, allergies, as well as sound. It's just more installation, guys, and energy efficiency. So right here we have their special, it's called the whole home fresh air filtration system. And what this does, guys, is that it takes the hot air from outside, and it cleans it. And the stale air that's inside your home, it takes it out the home, right? And so it's just having you have cleaner air in your home. And then we also, and it keeps the attic cool. We also have a dehumidifier in this home as well. And this is just Beaver's standard, but it helps you as far as allergies. So it's a healthier living, but it also helps us with savings, right? Lower monthly energy bills, which we all can appreciate, right? So I want to share that about Beazer and their building. So straight across, we have the utility room over here. And as you can see, tons of space in the utility room. This is the door that you would come in from the garage, and we would lay all our items here. This is where we can find our attic access. And then we're entering into the third bedroom. What's so great about this bedroom is that we have a bathroom in it. In this room, as you can tell, we have the ceiling fans. So this is the hallway. And look at all that room. We have another closet. And here is our living space. So this is the living room. And this is the exact home, guys, that is available, right? We have KitchenAid, which is an upgrade. But in this home, we have the KitchenAid appliances. One, two, three, four, five burners. We have our dishwasher. You can separate clean and dirty dishes here. A coffee bar area. What do you think about this pantry? I really like all the space that this pantry has. And then we have our kitchen area here for eating. And look at that view. And I really appreciate that we're able to sit down and enjoy that view, right? Isn't that nice? So we can go outside on this back patio as well. Well, let me tell you a little bit about what's going on right now. To get into this home, I have negotiated as a VIR, very important realtor, for my VIP, very important people, or very important clients, VIC. But I have negotiated a great deal for temporary time, 6% closing costs. If you want to use it for closing costs, you can use it to buy down the loan. Whatever your heart's desire. I am Malisa Walker with the Walker Real Estate Group, and I am here to serve you. So whether you're looking to close in 7 days or 70, or maybe it's a year from now or two, give me a call. We can sit down and talk about a plan that's perfect for you to get you into beautiful homes like this. I sell homes all over, and I am here to serve you. Today we are in Alvin, Texas, but if Alvin's not the place you're looking, let's talk and find out what's the perfect place for you. Give me a call, 409-692-7768. And if you have not, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you beautiful, fabulous homes, and sometimes not so fabulous, but you're able to make it into a fabulous home. You'll get it all here, the good, the bad, the ugly, and the beautiful, fabulous, and luxurious with Malisa Walker. Thank you for tuning in. Now back to our regular channel. We are in the primary now. And again, we have a beautiful view, waterfront. And we're working on getting the water fountains put in according to the development company. That will be done. We are now in our bathroom. We not in this home, but in other homes, Beazer does offer the separate tub and shower, or you can get what I call the super shower, which is just a long big shower. Double vanity. And look at this closet. So let's go outside and then we can have a little more privacy on the covered patio. This is a covered patio. For the Teton, this would be your backyard. Remember, this is final opportunity. We're closing out. And remember how I said quick access? So if you're looking for a home in Alvin, Texas, give this home a look. Give me a call. I can definitely show you this home or any home. Okay, but a little bit about the Teton. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 2,011 square feet, and it is for the low price of 429,913, and it's ready now. This could be your home today. Give me a call, and thank you for watching.